Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So y'all, I found these natural nail tips from Rosalind on Amazon. And I was like, okay, what we doing? And I bought them for a reason. Number one, because of the color, because of the mani I wanted to do. And I also wanted to try them out because believe it or not, they were $2.99. I'm pretty sure the price is going to go up at some point. I don't know when. So the thing with these nail tips, they are sized, so like on the row itself, they are sized like on one part there's like large, you got I think extra large, there's a set of large, there's a set of medium, and there's a set of small. And so they are grouped by like their thumb size. So like this right here are 5 nails, and these are 5, they got them sized. I can't get it right. They got them grouped by your nail size, whether you have extra large nails, large nail beds, medium nail beds, small nail beds, or extra small nail beds. I think it's large, medium, small, and extra small. And so I was in between. I could use most of the, I think, medium, but I think I had to do some nails large. And I'm just checking to see if they fit sidewall to see which ones work better. I can't remember which ones I actually end up using, the large versus the medium. I think I used a combination of large and medium, and I don't have very large nail beds. I think these are sized kind of small, but for the most part I was able to use most of the nails in one size category. And again, they're $2.99. They come in different shapes. I think they come in almond, square, I think these are coffin, and I forget what else, but I have the picture coming up from Amazon. And so here are the nails, like I say, $2.99. You can't beat it. Okay, you put regular nail polish over here too, on the nails too. So here I am polishing the nails. I do not apply a regular color on the nails because I think the color of the nails itself was the look that I was going for. And so I'm applying, I did buff them. I did run a buffer over the nails and remove buffing dust. And I'm going in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's gel base coat, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And this picture was, not this picture, this mani was inspired by a Pinterest picture, and I'll insert that at some point. And so this is Galaxy Flake gel polish from 𝑖Gel. I bought the set like years ago, and they've been sitting in a drawer, and I was like, let me use that. And so it has some iridescent flakes in there, and so I'm going to apply 2 layers of that gel polish to all nails, curing for 30 seconds in my LED lamp in between each coat. And so it's really subtle on the nail, but more it appears more once I do the second coat. So after I get that second coat of color on the nails and cured, I'm going to then apply a layer of 𝑖Gel Beauty's matte top coat and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And the reason why we're doing matte nails is because we're going to do some reverse nail stamping. Now, you don't have to have matte nails. You don't. You could just use the inhibition layer to apply the nail stamps on top of these nails if you want to, but I did not. I wanted to start off with matte nails. Again, this step is optional. So here I'm getting my stamping supplies ready. I have my stamping pad, and I have a total of 5 nail stampers. And some of these are Maniology stampers. Some of these are just random stampers I got off of Shein or Temu or Amazon or whatever. But I am going to do some reverse nail stamping using butterflies. And the reason why I have 5 different stampers is because I'm going to do 5 different color butterflies. And so I do have a neon stamping polish set that I purchased from Clear Jelly Stamper quite some time ago. It comes with, I believe it's 7 neon polishes. I will not use all 7. I'm going to exclude the green and the blue. And so I'm going to use like the pink, the shade of yellow, and the shade of purple. And I'm going to pick up butterflies on the stamping plate. 1 butterfly per nail stamper. And so I'm going in with Maniology straight up black stamping polish. And I'm applying that to the nail plate, or stamping plate, not nail plate, stamping plate, scraping and then picking up. And then I will use the scraper card to remove any excess polish on the stamping head. And you can see I tapped a little bit too high and removed some of that butterfly image. So this is why you need a sticky pad to remove any unwanted polish from the stamper head. You don't have to have that. You can use a lint-free roller. You can use the scraper card. Do what works best for you. I've seen some people use Scotch tape. Will do again what works best for you. This method works for me. And so once I get all of the butterflies picked up, I'm going to color them in. And with nail stamping, you want to make sure that you clean your plate. Even though you clean your plate after you finish, you also want to clean your plate before you begin your stamping, because you think you have removed all of the stamping polish, but there's always some left over. I don't care how well you clean it, there's always some left over in the crevice of the images and things like that, because these plates are etched. That gives you the picture. So just make sure before you start, clean your plate off with pure acetone. You don't want any acetone with any type of oils or anything like that, because it's going to leave a residue on your stamping plate, making it doggone near impossible to pick up your image. And so I'm just getting these butterflies. These plates came in a Maniology subscription box, and that one was a little smudged, and so I just re-stamped that, because when I picked it up, it was not as crisp or as sharp as I wanted it to be. And so once I get this last image butterfly picked up on the stamper head, I'm going to go in and do some reverse nail stamping. And so here I'm starting off with the pink, and I sped it up as much as I could without it being too wonky, because this is like double sped up. I tried to do it triple, but it was just skipping and acting just ridiculous. And so I have a short little detail brush here from Maniology. I believe this came in this Maniology subscription box as well. I believe I had to go look back. I've been getting Maniology subscription boxes since 2021. It is 2024. I need to do more nail stamping, let's be clear. And so I'm making sure I'm loading the brush with the polish and just lightly going over the image, and then I will flip it over and check. And so what I'm checking for are any spots where either the polish is not as pigmented on the image, or any white spots where I can kind of see through. And so I'm just checking, and I was so scared I was going to drop this thing and ruin everything. And I was like, oh my gosh, I could have set it on the table and colored that way, but my probably glasses and my hair would have been in the way. So I'm just coloring that in each image, and by the time I finished this, they were almost dry. I let these dry for about 10 minutes before I applied them to the nail. And so I'm going in with the second color and repeating that process. So while I do that, I am going to insert And no, here's where it's actually sped up. So you see it kind of skips just a little bit. But I mean, like, how long can you look at somebody color? I don't know, but this to me is therapeutic unless you mess the image up. Now, if you mess the image up, then it just ticks you off and you're like, oh my God, I gotta stamp this over. But anyway, so I'm just using the cotton ball that I used to clean the plate and wiping that detail brush off on that cotton ball because it does have acetone on it. And so I'm just coloring these butterflies in. And so while I'm coloring, I'm going to insert the Pinterest picture because I got this inspo from a Pinterest picture. It's not exactly the same. It's just my rendition of this mani. When I saw it, I thought it was really cute. And I know you're like, you're doing all these butterfly manis. Well, I want to use my stamping plates more, and I thought this was a neat idea. So at this point, I'm coloring in the last butterfly. Now this neon yellow was my favorite neon color out of that clear jelly stamper set. It was just nice and vibrant and really, really pretty. So I am going in and applying Maniology sticky base coat. That's the only way I'm going to get the image to transfer to the nail, unless I use gel base coat and cure. So I didn't want the gel base coat, that inhibition layer on my nail stamper, so sticky base coat it is. So I'm applying a layer of sticky base coat to all nails, and I am an affiliate of Maniology and Clear Jelly Stamper. Discount codes will be in the description box below. Had to throw that in there. But once I let that sticky base coat get tacky, usually it's about 30-45 seconds, I'm going in and I'm making sure that at this point my image is dry, and I'm just transferring those various butterflies to each individual nail. They transferred nice. I thought they looked nice on the nail, really, really pretty. And I'm not placing them the exact same on each nail. I'm just kind of trying to either turn them left, turn them right, put them directly in the middle, put them towards the cuticle area, put it towards the free edge, but something to give it just a little bit of zhuzh here. Again, I loved the neon butterflies. I wish they had like small butterflies. I could have put like a little tiny small one on there, and I couldn't find my little stickers for like the little stars like what was on the Pinterest picture, and that was absolutely fine. So once I get the butterflies stamped on each nail, I do go in and float. Well, before I do that, I have some like pastel kind of iridescent rhinestones that I'm going to put on the nail. And so I'm going in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's base coat. This does require curing as well. And I'm floating that over the butterfly because I don't want to smear my image. So I'm floating that over the nail stamping image. And I will place one single rhinestone at the cuticle area of each nail, and I will cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Once I cure, I'm going in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's No Wipe Top Coat. My bottle looks a mess when you see it. The writing is almost gone. Probably need a new one, but I will go in with the No Wipe Top Coat and cure for 30 seconds as well. And so when I place the rhinestones, I am kind of flash curing, because when you pick it up to put it in the lamp, the rhinestones will move on you. And so here are the finished nails on my little nail plate there. I thought they were really cute. And so guys, I do apply these to my nails with sticky tape. Pinky was a little bit small, but it was fine. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.